Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see what is Mulesoft and we are creating our first application in a Mulesoft. Let's go and read the definition of a Mulesoft. Mulesoft is a vendor that provide an integration platform to help businesses connect data, applications and the device across on-premises and the cloud computing environment. According to this definition, MuleSoft is an integration platform. Like when you want to integrate two or more than two platform, like you want to send a data from Salesforce to their another platform, and from Salesforce to Jira, ServiceNow, or if we want to connect multiple other platform, then we are going to use a MuleSoft. So I have already created a one project with name my first project. In this simply we have to drag a listener here. Okay, just a minute. Then configure that listener by clicking on the plus and select the port. Port is usually 8081 and click OK. Then give the path. Uh, my first application. Then we are drag and drop a logger. Then a transformer. So just simply delete this. Yeah. So in logger we are just simply write a message I, and in transformer we are giving a response what we are getting in a postman while hitting from Java to JSON. And here status equal to 200 whatever message you want to print, like successfully created. So now just you have to deploy this project by going right click and go to run and new application. Just save till it is deploying. We go to the postman and http localhost, and our path is my first application. Let's see whether it is deployed or not. So the basic purpose of this project is whenever you hit the request from the postman, it will come to here in listener. Then it comes to logger and print whatever in the logger and come to transformer. Uh, then in transformer, whatever message we have written, it will return to the postman and show here. Just wait till it deploy. So basic बहुत ही सिंपल प्रोजेक्ट है. बेसिक फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बस सिंपली इससे हमें आ जाएगा हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अ फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, हाउ वी कैन हिट एन एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम द पोस्टमैन, हाउ वी डिप्लॉय एन एप्लीकेशन इन एनीपॉइंट स्टूडियो. सो बिल्कुल बेसिक्स है. सो ये फेल हो गया. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द रीजन. So it is saying that port number 80 and 8081 is already in use. Okay, just change the port number. Just give it 3, click OK, and click on save. Let's redeploy it. When you do control plus s, it automatically save and redeploy it. So you do not need to go into the project and right click and run and again. It will automatically redeploy. So the project is deployed successfully. Let's go to the postman and try to hit our application. Now just change the port number. Port number is 8083. You see that we got the message what we have written in the transformation. So if we change here anything like hi, so I have done the control plus s, so it will automatically deploy. And if we try to hit from the postman, now the message will be changed. It will successfully deploy. Now it is showing hi. So what's happened when we hit the request from postman, it comes to the listener, and then after listener it's come to the logger. So in logger I have written hi, so it is printing hi, then it's come to the transformer. So transformer return the response. So in this way we have successfully create our first project and deploy it and hit. So I hope you understand how we are going to create our first project in Mulesoft.